Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Maps Street View to plan out your journey or plan out your walk. So let's say I'm planning on going to Chandler, Arizona, for example, and I want to see around like my hotel, and I want to see like the usual walks that I'm going to take, how they're going to look like. So you could always do that with Google Maps. So what I'm going to do right now is just type in Google Maps in the search bar, and then just select Google Maps. And let's say I'm going to Chandler, Arizona. So let me just zoom in on a random location here. So let's say I want to walk from this Ocotillo Plaza place to, let's say, Fry's Food and Drug. So I want to walk from here to there, or this is a normal walk that I'm going to be taking. So I'll just select either location and I'll just click on directions. Then in the other point, I'll just select the other point. And this is going from Ocotillo Plaza to Fry's Food and Drug. If you want to change or like turn it around, reverse the destination and the starting point, you can just click on this arrow right here, or like these couple of arrows, and it will just change them. So what I can do right now, like I have a route that I can follow, but what I can do to view the street view, I can just drag this little man right here, little stick figure, and just put him right here in the route, and it gives me a street view. So I can just walk around. Let's say I want to walk till here. You can just look around and you're going to see what everything looks like. So yeah, it's pretty much as simple as that. You can just view the street from where you are right now. Hope that video is helpful.